Hi everyone. In this video we are going to learn about the operating system and its main functions in a simple way. Okay. So what is an operating system? See, basically operating system or OS is a special kind of software that acts as a bridge between the user and the computer hardware. Okay. See, so basically So OS is a software that acts as a bridge, okay? Acts as a bridge between the user and the computer hardware. So basically, user and the computer hardware. User and the computer hardware, okay? So basically, an operating system is a special kind of software, okay? Special kind of software that acts as a bridge between the user, okay, user and computer hardware. So basically an operating system is a special kind of software that acts as a bridge between the user and the computer hardware, okay. See, so basically it helps us use the computer easily without worrying about the complex hardware inside, okay. For example, when you like open a game or a video, you don't have to tell the computer how to use the memory or CPU, okay. So basically the OS does all the work for you, okay. Now see, functions of an operating system. First one is process management. So basically the OS manages all the running programs, also called processes, okay. So basically the OS manages all the running programs, also called processes. It decides which program should run first and for how long, okay. So this way your computer can run multiple programs smoothly, okay. Like see, so basically the OS manages like all the running programs, okay. Programs, also called processes, okay. So it decides which program should run first and for how long, okay. Okay, so your computer can run multiple programs smoothly, okay. So this way your computer can run multiple programs smoothly. It's like, see, this is your computer. So your computer can run multiple programs smoothly, okay. See, second is memory management. So basically the OS keeps track of all the memory, okay. So operating system keeps track of all the memory in your computer, okay. It gives memory to programs when they like need it and takes it back when they are done. Okay, so this helps prevent programs from interfering with each other. Okay, third one is file system management. Files like documents, photos, and videos are stored on your computer, and operating system manages these files, organize them in folders, and controls who can access them. Okay, so like, see, see, document, document, photos, photos, and videos. These are all stored on your computer. So basically the OS manages these files. Okay, OS, operating system. So basically the OS manages these files, organize them in folders. Okay, folders, and controls who can access them. Okay, now fourth one is device management. So basically your computer has devices like keyboard. See, your devices like keyboard, see, see, okay, so this is keyboard. So device management basically means your computer has devices like keyboard, mouse, printer, and disk drives. Okay, disk drives. So basically the OS communicates with these devices and controls them, so programs can use them without any problems. Okay, okay, then security and protection. See, basically the operating system protects your computer from unauthorized access. Okay, so it makes sure only the right users or programs can access your files and the resources. Okay, and last one is user interface. So finally the operating system gives you a way to interact with the computer. Okay, so basically this can be a graphical interface. Okay, what is user interface? Like, see, so the OS gives you a way to interact with the computer. Okay, this can be a graphical interface. Graphical interface like Windows or Mac, or command line interface like Linux terminal. Okay, So basically the operating system is like the manager of your computer. Okay. So basically operating system is like the manager of your computer. Manager of your computer. Manager of your computer. Okay. Like taking care of programs, memory files, devices, like while keeping everything safe and easy to use. Okay. So that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, then subscribe for more simple tech explanations. Okay. Thank you.